Public procurement lawyers versus bidding advisory firms. Which one is better for government contracts? Most companies get this wrong, thinking that bidding is just about filling out forms. The surprising truth is that winning government contracts requires both legal insight and strategic know-how. Public procurement lawyers specialize in the legal framework surrounding government contracts. They interpret tender requirements, advise on compliance with procurement laws, and can challenge unfair procurement decisions. For instance, if a company is bidding for a multi-million-dollar defense contract, lawyers ensure all conditions are met and protect the bidder against potential disputes or contract terminations. Bidding advisory firms focus on strategy, proposal writing, and process optimization. They help companies structure competitive bids, highlight differentiators, and manage timelines effectively. For example, an advisory firm can guide a healthcare provider through a complex government RFP, ensuring the proposal aligns with evaluation criteria and maximizes scoring potential. The key difference is law versus strategy. Lawyers safeguard compliance and handle legal risks, while advisory firms improve the chances of winning by crafting a strong, compelling bid. In reality, the best approach combines both. Lawyers review the contract terms and compliance risks, while advisors focus on presentation, pricing, and operational planning. The takeaway is clear: government contracts are high stakes, and missing either the legal or strategic angle can cost millions. The surprising truth is that companies that integrate both legal and advisory support win more often, avoid disputes, and execute projects smoothly once awarded.